I send this message to any surviving Autobots taking refuge among the stars. We are here. We are waiting.
I'm here at Mila's first opening in Czech. She's over.
Yes, it's me. Hi.
Hi, one please.
One ticket.
Yeah.
Steel and museum. Steel.
Yeah, still, yeah.
349.
349. Okay.
You?
Yep.
Máš tam.
Make me famous, make me famous. Hi. One ticket, yes?
1 o'clock for Lumi.
Dare you to tell me this place isn't romantic? Welcome to Prague, just after noon. That's why just to show you what it's like during the daytime. Okay, let's try this. 215 steps. So I haven't seen anyone else here, so I'm hoping this is not like a massive tourist attraction, and you will get to hear that a lot. Not using this as an excuse to stop and catch my breath. Why the fuck is there a door here? Like, I really have to do so many steps. Apparently this is where people have to look out. I can see buildings. I can see stuff. Right. I highly doubt we're there, but just to record, just. Oh, of course we're not there. Right, we're at the top here, people. We're at the top. Shh, they don't need to know. So it's not the top, but it's a place for me to look at the beauty of this place from this angle. So why not? Take a little 360 around. I stayed down there before. Whew. This wood doesn't seem safe at all. And there it is. Oh, hold on, we have to do this. Was it worth the view? Do you know, I'm liking that I'm not outside, personally. So this is it, basically. It's very top, you're enclosed, so weather shouldn't be an issue. Citadel is behind that building, obviously. So I was looking for a street bistro, like a standard, but this is what I got here. Seems very. Well, if you would not come to Prague, they say. Cheap, they say. Fuck no, says I. And this is no way to dismiss it. I think it is 100% one thing that you should definitely do in Prague. If you come to Prague, 100% come see it. But just realise that there will be a crowd. Like, see that whole crowd, everybody's standing still there. Everyone's attention just drawn to this thing. Oh. I just got served food by Milikovic. I've seen these. I don't know what the hell they are. Like a potato. Strung out. Hey, yes, it's me.